I think he likes you.
Oh, pretty bird, pretty bird.
Hello.
Hello. What are you doing?
Not much. What are you doing? You're funny. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Why does he have a man voice?
It's a male parrot, apparently.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Was that?
Oh, he's gonna say how you doing.
No?
Sorry. I care how you guys are doing.
No, you don't care.
Was that you talking, or was that the bird?
Yeah.
That wasn't the bird.
I don't know, you have to find
How
out.
you doing? He's gonna say it.
Oh.
How you doing?
Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
It is the bird.
How you doing?
How you doing? How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Quack, 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 quack.
You quack?
Quack, quack, quack.
How you doing? Nice to meet you. Say something.
Oh, I got a kiss.
Pretty bird.
Are you standing on one foot?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Clark.
He's a flirt. He said, hello, sweetheart.
Hi.
Should have been talking to him the whole time.
Birdie, want a cracker?
Oh, he says pretty bird too.
Pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
Oh.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Hello.
Hello.
Pretty bird.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Pretty bird.
All that while standing on one foot. Pretty impressive.
I can't say any of that while saying it too.
Baba Booey.
Whoa.
Baba Booey.
Hello.
Hello. All right, Birdie, we're going to go eat dinner. But you were incredibly entertaining. I still don't want a bird, though.
Baba Booey. Baba Booey.
Bye-bye.